Hello and welcome to this video. I'm Randy Chambliss with Louisiana Housing Authority, and today we're going to discuss what is a deed of trust and mortgage. But before we do so, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell, because I post real estate information like this all the time and you don't want to miss it. So what is a deed of trust and mortgage? Well, it depends on what state that you're living in. In some states we have, which is called a judicial foreclosure state, and some states are a non-traditional foreclosure state. Well, what's the difference between the two? Well, in a traditional foreclosure state, the mortgage servicer has to go to the courthouse and file a lawsuit to proceed in the foreclosure process. They have to be in front of a judge and get that approved. In a non-traditional foreclosure state, they don't have to file a lawsuit with the courthouse. They can simply do a public notice and move forward with the foreclosure process. Now, in the state of Texas and Florida, for example, they are non-traditional foreclosure states. But in Louisiana, we are a traditional foreclosure state, but we do have an overlay on top of that called executory process, right? Now, I encourage you to watch another video I did that talks about non-traditional and traditional and the process of executory process in Louisiana. So I encourage you to watch that video as well. Now, for the purpose of this particular video, the mortgage and the deed of trust is basically an instrument, is a legal instrument that secures the promissory note to that debt of that property, right? So if that borrower is behind on a mortgage, they are delinquent, not making a payment for it, and the reason, that particular mortgage or trustee, that deed of trust is what they can use to start and go through the foreclosure process. Now, at the closing table, when you first purchased your home, there was two major documents that you signed. One was the promissory note, which basically is your promise to repay. It spells out the terms of the loan, how much you borrow, what the interest rate is, and what you'll be paying back. But the second major document that you signed was a mortgage or a deed of trust, depending on what state you're in. And that was the instrument that secured that promissory note. Now, all the other documents you signed was disclosures and other paperwork, but those were the two major documents. So as we go through your foreclosure defense of how to prevent and avoid and stop foreclosure, you're going to have to be very familiar with these terms. So that's what I tend to do. So watch the other videos. I'm going to have some other terms, getting definition to explain exactly, so you are educated enough to make an informed financial decision for your family. So listen, if you have any other questions, you have any concerns, then I encourage you to visit us online, give my team a call. We can schedule a free foreclosure prevention consultation with you to answer those questions and concerns. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a great day on purpose today.